Hi guys, Seba X, and today I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial on this aluminum body kit for the Yeti XL. As you can see, this is everything that comes from the kit. Um, I got the kit from eBay. It doesn't have a name, nor the company or whoever sells them, has like an actual name. I know it is from South Korea. But from all the kits that I seen, all the aluminum kits that I seen, to me this one is it looks the best. This is everything you get. You get the hood, you get the side plates for the hood, you get the LED mount for the front, right here. All right, you get the front half side skirts or side panels. You say you get two. And then you get the rear half side panels, and then you get a roof. You also get a bag of screws and nuts and instructions. Alright, tools that you will need: 2mm hex, trusty RC cross wrench, and a drill. Alright guys, let's get to it. Okay guys, real quick. The aluminum is 5051 aluminum. It looks pretty good. It's 1.2 millimeters thick, and the whole kit weighs around 17 ounces. And with that, let's get started, guys. Um, most of the panels, actually, I'll say 99% of the panel is just you replacing from the original body. So I am gonna fast forward through some of the me screwing in some of the screws on the body, because I'm sure you guys know how to do that. So with that, let's get started. Alright guys, now we're gonna install the hood. Alright guys, now comes the size plate right here, the hood side plates, and it's probably the only difficult part um, of the kit, is because you have to drill 4 holes on each side right here on this plastic bracket right here. So of course that's gonna take some measuring, some looking, making sure everything is straight. So here we go. There you have it, guys. I wouldn't excuse me, I wouldn't call it perfect, but you're not gonna notice it while she's speeding down the road. There you go, guys. If you ask me, the fit is pretty good, but this right here, this four screws right here, they was a little bit difficult trying to get everything nice and neat, but it's not perfect, but it will do just fine. I like it. Um, Give it like a kind of somewhat of aggressive look. I did not install the front LED mount because right now I'm in the search for a set. Also, a good light kit for this. But anyway, guys, TC complete.